Tell a bitch who why. Tell a bitch who why. Don't see the dollar, don't see the who why. Don't see the dollar, don't see the thing.
Hi loves, welcome back to yet another YouTube video. It is your girl Minnie and I'm back with another YouTube video. If you see me sitting on a chair like this, you already know what type of video this is. We are doing a wig install featuring Ali Pearl. Yay! You already know that this install is about to eat. I am wearing a 5x5 clueless unit. It is HD lace, pre-curled, pre-bleached, and it has a density of 250%. Ali Pearl hair gets me every time, and this is a 26 inches wig. Guys, come on. Ali Pearl, need I say more? This is Glueless, my babes. Glueless. I love this unit. It's so beautiful, easy to style, and what I love the most about this unit is the fact that like you wait, you leave the house. It is so beautiful and everything just makes sense with this unit. I love it so much, and this is how it looks on the side. As you can see, it is a 5x5 unit. This is how it also looks on the other side. Like, my babe, hi, do you see this? Like, hello. Ooh, perfect. This is so beautiful, so beautiful. So these are the goodies that I got from Ali Pearl. You get an edge brush, scrunchie, so cute. Get 2 adjustable wig caps, elastic band, scarf, and obviously you also get a wig. Oh, sorry, it was already a bit open, but yeah. He also gets the actual wig. It is 26 inches HD lace side parts glueless wig, and it is a 5x5 as mentioned in the intro, and this is how it looks. So we're just gonna open it and see exactly how it looks inside. This is a scarf that I got from Ali Pearl. I don't even need to say much. Like, do you see this? Do you see this? I don't even need to say much. Do you see these curls straight from the box? This is beautiful. You know? Curls. Just a little strap. 2, 3 combs.
And I'm feeling your vibe, won't you buy me some whiskey? I love to touch your skin, graciously, I believe that we are meant to be. I wanna use your facilities, baby. Me tell her you don't know what you started. Obsessed, my baby make her confess. See, I don't mind to say for your loving. I see you in my chest.
Hello, like, hello, Ali Pearl. Guys, this is giving HD, and guess what? We are still completely glueless. Like, this is a glueless unit. And on the side there's like nothing, no 8 kesana. So I'm just gonna do my edges now and then I'm gonna be back. This is so beautiful, like not much work needed, nothing. This is really nice, I won't even lie. Let's do the edges and see. Obviously 48-hour Dark and Lovely styling gel. Always on my edges, okay? I know the girlies hates the edges, but trust the process, okay? Trust the process. edge that I did here. I didn't want to do two edges because I just felt like it was going to be too much and I don't want it to be noticeable, right? So I'm just gonna smooth out the hair here. I don't even need to use a hot comb for this hair. I haven't used it. I don't think I'll use it honestly because I just feel like they did everything. Like it comes pre-bleached, pre-plugged, pre-curled. Like it looks really, really good. So let's just do the finishing touches and see how the final look is gonna be. I am almost done, guys. So I don't know, I feel like I'm going to just enhance this line a little bit more so that it, you know, brings everything together. And then we're gonna do the curls and then we're done. In like so. You want to take your time so that you don't make any mistakes. I'm just gonna brush them out and so that we can see how they look. When I brush them out, I always try to make sure that I brush this way so that they give me that volume. There we have it.
Ready to witness the greatness.
I'm really feeling this shit.
I want my baby to have your eyes. I'm going against my own advice. Should I do?
Everything looks really good, and I like the fact that I didn't have to use a lot of products. So this is definitely a must buy. So this is definitely a must buy wig, to be honest. Too beautiful. Look at that.
New York, I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie.
Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing videos. And if you'd like to purchase this hair, click the link in my description and cluck the tea. Okay? Because one thing about Ali Pale hair, she is going to eat every time. This is a must buy. Take it from me. This is a must buy. This install takes seconds to install with little skills needed. Like you don't need any form of skills to install this wig. Like this is so good. Like look at how neatly Ali Pearl, my babe, when I catch you, this is such a good unit. It's 100% glueless unit. You can take it off anytime and put it on whenever you want. I love that so much because I know that most of my girlies do not like sleeping with their wigs.